class, I showed you our STEM Expo. Exhibition can be different. Your workshop can be different as well. But it's better to have both to attract more kids and students at your STEM Expo. The other thing I forgot to show you was virtual reality experience. Virtual reality or VR is a new technology for education. So kids have better opportunity to learn and imagine, to learn better in education. I hope you enjoy our video about our STEM Expo. Hope to see you at our next STEM Expo, and we are more than happy to help you to have your own STEM Expo. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!